Hello, I'm back again. This time showing you how I actually create the seamless granny square with the magic knot. So here are the ones that I've created already. So there's 5 with the purple edging, and it goes purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And then will be 7. As you saw from the previous video, I frogged one of them, and there's currently 6 of them with the red edging, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And starts with the purple. So if I'll take one of each so you can see that they're actually done exactly the same way. But rather than just adding the new yarn or the new colour and then carrying on with the granny square, I actually sort of really take it apart. Mind my nail varnish on one thumb, just testing the colour there. Anyway, sorry, rather than completing it, you complete the first round and then you'll see where it ends. You take that apart and then you join with a magic knot the new colour, and then you do the next one. So I won't show you how I created the granny square, I'll just show you how I join each colour. You can go to Hooked by Robin's channel to see the actual creation of this granny square. If I turn it over, as you can see, well, you can't see, but you can see that this is a nice seamless. You cannot see where I've joined the colours. I'll show you when I finish the other one that there's only 2, but previously, if you look at the beginning of my previous video, you'll see that each colour had an end that needed to be weaved in, and as you can imagine, if I do that on the 12 squares that we would have, it will take forever. So yeah, so this is the red edging, so that's the back of both of them. So there's one of the knots, the joins there, you can see, but you can see it's on the back of the square. Yeah, the first join is the hardest one, so you can see that there, but the other ones seem to be fine. So yeah, okay, so here is the starting square. So I'm doing the red edging one, so we're starting with a purple, so I've started with it. So do you like the 4mm hook that you get with the Festival Blankets Hooked by Robin and Crochet Society pack? And then you can see the back of all the other squares that I've done. Anyway, so this is what you do. So you do your first square, or the inner square, and then you see how much thread you use. Don't tighten the magic loop because you're going to take it apart, so you'll still need to work back into it. So what I would do is I would pull it to so the loop is at the, come closer, so the loop is as the end as much as it can be, and then I will pinch and then take it apart slightly. So this just gives you enough purchase really to join the new colour. So the new colour is going to be blue, which I have still on my lap from frogging it. So this is the hard bit. Find the edge of your previous colour and then keep hold of the edge so that you don't put too much extra, and then magic join or magic knot is you tie one end. It's quite hard to do with the camera and in the air, but the blue side doesn't matter so much, but you don't want to waste too much of the thread or the yarn. Okay, I think I've got it. Yep, there you go. So that is your first knot. Tighten that as much as you can, and then I like to turn it the other way round. Keep the edge of that purple edging. So there's your other knot. So there's quite a lot left there from before. So we tie it around. Oops, I moved it a little bit, so might have adjusted it a bit too much, but try and keep it as close to the edge as you can do. And then we tighten the knot. Take each end and then you pull it. I'm pulling both purple. So you take each end, so take the purple end here, the blue end here, and then we bring it together. Then you snip. Get my scissors. So you snip close to the knot as possible. And then you have your join. And this is quite a strong join. I've never seen it being loose before. And then you go ahead and redo your last bit that you undid, because you still got the loop still gaping there. So I've just got to do 2 double crochets in. So I'm doing it with the camera on me. Okay, you can see the join is coming up, and then I'm going to join it at the top of this chain. Okay, so I've missed it slightly, so what I will do is I'm going to go into, just do some slip knots. Not slip knots. Slip, I don't know, slip stitch. There you go, slip stitch. I nearly got it wrong there. Okay, so now we're going to do granny square into this corner. Okay, so I'm just going to do, oops, lost it. Yeah, so if you can, keep the knot at the back if possible, but it's quite hard the first round. And then I will just work it. So I will just do this round and then come back and show you the next join. So back in a moment.